What's up, everybody? And today we're going to try out the laugh video. So, no laughing. That wasn't funny at all. What the heck? That wasn't funny. No laughing. Okay, I didn't laugh. That was actually pretty funny. This is hard. How did he know that? There's no way he read that. Oh, she so got fired. She got fired. You know she got fired. Only she had, that must have hurt. That flip must have hurt. That looked hurtful. That's not true. The iPhone and stuff. That's just for this video. Okay. So I'm gonna bring him up. Oh dang. Alright, turn my radio. What the heck? This is an interview. I almost laughed. I actually, I actually almost laughed just now. That was actually pretty funny. What? Okay. Alright, we skipped the ad. That wasn't funny. Nope. Gotta keep it faith. No laughing. No laughing. Stop showing the apple. I don't even like apple. I probably just triggered a lot of you guys because I said I don't like apple. Yeah, I don't. I'm an Android fan. I know a lot of people just got triggered. I'm sorry. It's just the way. This is just the way it's gotta be. The ridiculous. Or CNN. I don't get it. Skip you. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. What was he doing? Why did there's no laughing? A turtle? No. 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 I'm not laughing. No laughs. What the heck? Homer Simpson, what the heck? Look at John. It's John. Oh, what's up? Wait, what the heck? You found. No, no, I can't laugh. This is actually. This is so hard. It's just this is hard. No, no, no. Not these people again. The failure collection. Oh, she built it a whole floor. She built it a whole floor. Not these people again. Look at her face. Oh no. She's gonna get hit. She's gonna get hit. She gonna get hit. I already know. Yeah, she got hit. Look at that guy. He's like, oh. That was a good beat. That was a real good beat. What the? Oh no! That guy fell in the whole water. That seemed like it hurt though, because his stomach hit the. No, bro, that's not cool. Oh. Bro, that just looks weird. Yeah. Oh, that's actually cool. What was that? Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, I thought I was gonna bite him super hard. I thought I was gonna bite him super hard. The world? That was that. That is loud. The whole thing fell off. Oh, okay. What are they? Oh no. Oh, Karen. That's good job. No, good job. No. Well, guys, we're looking at his Instagram. Let's get away from that right quick. Yeah. Guys, should we try? Should we try one more try not to laugh? Like, super short. Like a 5 minute try not to laugh. Alright, let's try it. Actually, no, 4 minute. Try to laugh impossible 4 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video so it don't make no run time and I'll be right back. Alright, this is a 3 minute try not to laugh. Let's do this. Wow. He just do the one he already ate back on the. Oh! That poor dog. Oh no. No laughs. Oh no, a cat. These ones get me. Whoa. If I was that cat, I would do the same thing. Oh! Oh god. Is it a lion? That's a lion? Alright, somebody's calling me right now. Alright guys, my cousin Christian wants to join in. Just say hi, Christian.
Hello.
Alright, so he's gonna join us in the Try Not to Laugh challenge. And we're gonna see if he laughs or if he doesn't. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. Why is this kid? Why are they wearing Oh. It's probably because they're little kids, but that's why they're wearing jackets. Wait, did he stick his whole hand in there? What's it? Wow, that was a bust. I knew that was gonna happen though. Alright. Water. Oh, that's me. That's me, bro. Wow. That kid is savage. Look at this. Oh, my whole lighting fell. Dang, I gotta fix that. It's gonna be darker. Oh, little baby. Oh, dang, he just. That baby's a zombie. Ooh. Ooh, don't mess with them dog. That's scary. I want money. Yeah, I want money too, bro. Not gonna lie, I do want some more money. But hey, I got some money for Robux yesterday. My dad. That's cute. Look, dang. You just open a present like that. Oh, wait, you got a dog? Oh, cool. Oh God, what away, bro? Oh my, bro, the goats will get you, bro. One, yes. Well, guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like and hit the bell notification, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. E Boogie out.